Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Ella wig by TressAllure in the color Midnight Coffee. Now, Midnight Coffee is very similar to the Rene of Paris Espresso, so it's a very dark color. It's an off black, so it is the darkest color in the TressAllure line. Ella is a pixie with a ton of height on top. Just a ton. And she definitely has this monofilament top. It's actually a really nice monofilament top. But tons of volume, tons of texture, just tons of height on this particular wig. Let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you what this wig looks like on all sides. So this is a 2.1 ounce wig. She's very lightweight. The front is 4.25 inches. The crown down is 3.75. The nape is 2.5 inches. So the nape gives you pretty good coverage back there. This wig fits kind of tight on me though. That's why I'm kind of wrestling with the nape right now. So yeah, I'd say this one fits very true to average. It's not very forgiving for us big-headed folks. I have technically a average large cap size, so yeah, this is definitely a snug fit on me. But it's a super cute cut. Look at all that layering and texture around the face. Looks like a salon catalog. And this color, it actually makes me think of Liz Taylor a little bit. I mean, not me, the hair. But yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take Ella off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Ella's got a really nice double monofilament top, very silky smooth with a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. She's open on the side, open in the back. She's got an extended nape. It's not felt though. Adjustable bit like a bra strap back here. And then we also have closed lace on the ear tabs. Generous bump of permatease right behind the crown on this wig. Let me show you. Okay, and that's what helps give her so much height even though she's got a monofilament top. Here is the underside of that double monofilament at the crown, so you can see it's still very thick. That's another reason why this wig is so full. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put Ella back on for you now. She looks good fluffed, so I'm just going to fluff her. I do like her in this dark color though. So this has been my review of the Ella wig by TressAllure in the color Midnight Coffee, which is a very nice, natural, soft black color. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.